Hey everyone! Today is completed pages day. So I have a few completed for October, so let's just dive right in. Alright. These are in no particular order, by the way. Okay, so this first one here is Pomona, and this is by Micah Jelena. She's starting to become one of my favorites. I really like her style, kind of like, she reminds me a lot of Hannah Lynn. A little different, but I find it very relaxing to color her pages because they're simple and they're fun. So I had snagged this Happy Halloween one, and I was reviewing the Arctic's pastel markers. So I use them because, I mean, who says your Halloween page can't be pastel? So I use them for this, and I didn't do a background, but maybe I'll add one. Although I'm okay with the way it looks, so I don't know. But yeah, I will leave links in the description below to all of the either printable PDFs or books that I'm featuring today. By no means, like, does that mean you need to go buy them, but if for some reason you see one you like or you want to color, using those links does help my channel. It just gives me a little bit of an affiliate kickback, but no extra cost to you. And it just helps support my channel. So I'm going to start leaving those links down below. But yeah, so that one. Then this one here. This is a PDF on Etsy as well from Zindy Zone is what her store is. But it's Zindy Nielsen. And this wasn't necessarily a Halloween page, but I don't know, I really had some fun with it. You know, Halloween does not have to be traditional Halloween colors. So for the hair, I used Luminance and Derwent Lightfast. And then the rest is all Prismacolor. And then the background is a combination of my King Art pastel gel crayons. And then I used a few little parts of the gelato iridescent, but the shimmer didn't come through as much as I had hoped. But I really like this one. I had done this for the tag Pink Hair, Pink Lips Woman, hosted by Nirma Coloring, but I was so naughty this month. I did not a single post on Instagram. I may go back and take pictures of all of these though. Okay. Oh, I did do one here. Okay, so in Tattoo Darlings by Hannah Lynn, this is actually the book I pulled apart in a how-to video, but I did this lovely gal here, and I totally forgot about that. So yeah, I had done a random palette picker for this one. I just scrolled through my Sarah Renee Clark palettes, and this was the palette it came up with. And I actually like the way it looks. This is all Prismacolor. And the background, I believe this is Distress ink. And then I added some of the gold glitter Mod Podge. I don't really know why I did that, but I like the way it looks. So, but yeah, actually this one was really cute. I need to post these on Instagram, you guys. It's been a rough month. Whip Wednesday will be out tomorrow, and I'll kind of explain a little more. Okay, in my Enchanted Faces, this thing's all torn apart. This is one of my 10 books to finish. I did complete this little gal. I love these mini books. These are just, I don't know, they're so fun and easy to like belt out real quick, but this is all Prismacolor. Even the background, I didn't do any marker base on this one, but this was not a random palette. I've been favoring this color palette this month. You'll notice the brown, the olivey green, and purple. You're gonna see a trend. I need to put that book back together. Okay, then we have this one here. So this is another Micah Jelena one. This is a color along on my channel, so you can go back and watch it. It's all done with Ohuhu markers, so that made it really fun. I added a few little glittery accents to her wings. See the sparkle? Let's see. Oh, I used some gold Pentel Sparkle Pop and then Distress ink on the background. And yeah, this turned out really cute. I need to do another Ohuhu color along. I had quite a few of you that enjoyed it. And for once, my color along actually got views. Normally they don't, that's why I don't do them, but this one did. So it seems like you guys enjoy the Ohuhu ones. So I'm planning on doing another one. I love, the purple came out so much better than I had planned. Their purples are hard to blend, so that was like nerve-wracking. Okay, this one, in my Discord group, someone had shared this picture. I did one similar last year with the same gal and her little cat. I forget the name of that one. This is a Dawn Davidson, so it's a PDF on Etsy as well. And I colored this all with Prismacolor. The background is Distress ink. I'm not sure which colors though. I had meant to go back and add some, color in here. And then I was like, you know what? It's done. It's fine. Let's just go on. But yeah, I did Prisma on this one. I really like it though. It was cute and just a fun little picture. Did it actually really quick. Okay. And here is one. This is Lady Witch by Christine Caron. I think this has been in my Halloween stash for 2 years now, and I finally finished or did it. So it's all Prismacolor, even the hair. I hate Prismas for hair, but whatever. And then I did do some Sparkle Pop on the gold, but it's just a tiny bit. But yeah, I had fun with this one. I spent a long time on the skin. I'm still debating if I should do a background or not, but I did the glowing orb and had it glow on her hands, which I skip that step because I'm lazy, but I actually did it this time. But yeah, I really like the way this turned out. But see the color, like I was talking about, brown, olivey green, purple. You're going to see the trend because even here, olivey green, brown. It's just something I did. I don't know. It wasn't on purpose either. Okay. Then, while I was recovering from pink eye and bronchitis, I broke out this Mandala coloring book by Victoria Chukalina. It's a hardback spiral bound and actually really good paper. It's similar to like Color It. So I colored this one here using my Ohuhu bullet nibs, those 320 bullet nibs, and then a few sparkly gel pens. I was so naughty, I didn't mark any pages. So forgive me that I have to flip through. I also did this one because I had the tag Only Orange October, and well, only orange. It does have some glittered gel pen in there though, on top of the Ohuhu marker. I guess this could count towards the Color Your Hoard too, because I never colored in this. I did this one as well. This is all as well the Ohuhu bullet tip. There is some glitter gel pen right here, but this one's a light one, so it doesn't show up. And, oh, I have a whip in here right now, so that one will be next month. And I think this is the last one for this month. This one was all marker. This is a really good book, though. I like the designs. They're not overly complicated. So, yeah. And then, speaking of mandalas, this is Mandalas Volume 2 by Color It. I think I only colored one in here. Was it that one? I am so sorry. And you guys know me, I'm too lazy to edit out the fact that I'm sitting here trying to find the page. So I do apologize. Oh, these pages are so thick. It was this one. Okay. I used a random palette. Can you see my boo-boo right here? This is right when I first was able to start seeing again after pink eye. So my eyes were blurry and I colored it in. I was like, oh shoot, I did the wrong line. Oh well. So that's what happens, but it still looks, like I said, it was just a random color palette. I opened my Sarah Renee Clark PDF version on my phone and just scrolled. Where it stopped is where I landed, and it was this palette. So yeah, that's from the Color It book. It takes markers really well. Okay. Wow, I didn't realize how many Michelina pages I did this month. What is that, 3? So I had seen this one. Now I know she's coming out with another Minikins book, and this gal will be in it, as well as another one I had purchased, but it's okay, whatever. But I could not resist waiting for her. So this one is so cute, and the hair. So normally I want to do hers with marker, but the hair on this one just screamed, "You must do this in pencil." So I did the hair with Pablo's. That's right. This is Pablo's. I do not like Pablo's for blue. They have a lot of blue, but I didn't like the way the pencils blended out for the blue hair color. But the rest is Prismacolor. I was even working on doing glasses, like over skin. So I was trying to like work on, you know, because you can see through glasses. But basically what I did was lighter shades of the colors under here, and then I went on top of it with sky blue light and white, just to kind of give it that look. But I think it turned out okay. And yeah, the rest is Prismacolor, because Prisma's just, when I'm not feeling well, they're my comfort zone. I can just go back and color, and I feel like I do so much better with them. Even the apple, I like the way the apple turned out. But I don't think this one needs a background. Part of me feels like it should, because she looks like she's just floating here. But I don't know. It'll be, it's hard to say. But yeah, I did like that one. Okay. Now there's a funny story about this one. So this is a buddy color. I had a lot of buddy colors this month. And unfortunately I was only able to get one of them completed. So I'm sure the other people who were waiting on me for buddy colors are so annoyed. But I was so sick, and I was going through a lot of personal problems this month, which I'll explain in tomorrow's Whip Wednesday. But yeah, so this is from Autumn by Yana Prosperina. She has the book on Amazon. I'll link the book. However, I was trying to color it in the book, so create space paper, and I got flustered. So I went onto her Etsy store and bought the PDF version of the book, printed it on the paper I like, and then I was just so happy to color it. Like, I finished pretty much all of this in a day, and then I just did the background. And the background I actually did on Whip Wednesday that you'll see tomorrow. So yeah, I still need to send a picture of this to Jen, which is on my to-do list for today, and post it on Instagram. But this is all Prismacolor, and then just Distress ink in the background. But again, do you notice the green and brown? Yeah, it's not going away, folks. Speaking of that, so this is an adorable image from Kundank's art. Now you can only get this in a 2-pack, but the other image that it comes with is still really cute too. But this one was just so darling. And I did this at the beginning of the month. I finished it in like a day and a half. So all of this is, hang on. I didn't bring my book. I've been writing colors down, and I'm being so naughty about bringing my book up here. Okay, so all of this, let me zoom you in a little, sorry. This is a combo of Luminance and Derwent Lightfast. So the hair has both in it. Oh no, the hair is all Lightfast. That's right, I tried to do it with just Lightfast, and it turned out pretty well. Lightfast. I think there's a couple colors from Luminance that would have been good to add in, but it turned out okay. And then, as you can see, I was in like flick mode, because I flicked the hair, and then I flicked all the colors into her dress. Flicked all the colors. I made the leaves quite elaborate. Like, look at that. Woo! And it actually was very, like, soothing. But then I also went and just flicked all the colors in the pumpkin, so all these lines, and I really like coloring that way. It's not stressful on my hand like you guys might think. In fact, it's quite relaxing. And then I even flicked it into the hat. I think we're just gonna say my new coloring style is flick. I'm a flicker. But obviously not all the time. It was just with this page. I was just like, I felt like it added more dimension to her dress. I don't know. All right, so as always, I pick a favorite. You know, I love all the PDFs I did. Really, I do. This one, look, see the color schemes. I actually really like this one too. Ooh, it's hard to say. You know, actually, I'm going to say this one's my favorite this month. The background, by the way, was distressing. Just one color. Rubbed it on there to call it a day. And I think it turned out adorable. This is going to go on my wall. Especially because it's all 100% light fast pencils of some kind. So it can withstand sitting in my frame. So yeah, I'm going to say this one here is my fave. You guys let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. But yeah, that is everything I colored this month. I do have quite a few whips still hanging about. I just haven't had the time to get to them, but I appreciate all of you being so awesome and patient. And until next time, take care. Bye now.